So, welcome friends. This is day 11 my learning Power BI tool and gaining the knowledge of data analytics. So, today I am explain the filters in Power BI. Filter on visual, filter on filter on report. So, let's start the video. So, come to my laptop screen. I do practically how to use filter.
So I am open the Power BI and created some Power BI dashboard. So I open here to click Power BI desktop. So here open it up. So loading data model. I created the sales dashboard. In the today class, I learned how to use filter on this page, filter on all page, filter on visual. So I will explain this video how to use filter on this page, filter on all page and filter on visual. So let's start. Here is a simple dashboard I have created. Here is a sales filter, ID, product name, region, revenue, and sales date and sales ID. So I can see our data, transform data. Click transfer data. So here is our full data. Here is the sales ID, account ID, and product name, sales rate, revenue, and region wise. Region here is a region. So I will our data is neat and clean. Uh, no any particular updatation of our data. So I here click here close and apply. So here our desktop, Power BI desktop visual window is opened, and here is the filters on this page, filters on all page. I will click on this visual. So here is a open visual. So I will click on this more space. There is a new show the option with filter on this page. So you can enable the option of filter on visuals. You can click on visuals. So enter on visual, open open the filter. So I have do something for filtering. So firstly, filter on this page. I will drag some region on. So here is a region. I select the Canada. So this is one type of slicer. I go outside here. So uh, you can see some of in Canada. Canada is here is highlighted in blue bar, and here is a product who sale in Canada. Here is IDs who revenue generated from Canada. Here is filter on this page. So I will delete it. So our visual is updated. So filter on other page. Then I on filter on all page on the select India. Here is a total revenue generated from India. Some of revenue, some of month, which month India generated most of revenue. Here is a June, and India, some of region is India, show India. So the product mainly sales, mostly sales in India. So some of revenue product name. So here is some of revenue by account ID, and this is filter on all page. So I will delete it. So our visual up to date. So third is a very interesting concept like filter on visual. So I will select this visual, and here is enable the option filter on visual, and here is a region. It's all. Uh, here is all. I selected. UK. You have selected UK. This data show only UK. Only UK data will selected. I will select this visual and selected this smart CRM Pro product. So only C smart CRM product. So there this is filter on visual. So thank you for watching my video. Today I'm trying to get more perfection on video, more perfection on video quality, and more perfection on my knowledge. So thank you.